If Firefox keeps crashing on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can help get the browser working again. We'll start with the easiest solution, which is updating Firefox manually. Then we'll look at disabling Windows exploit protection if the crash is being caused by a security block. And finally, we'll clear the startup cache to remove old files that may be triggering the problem. This is a fast, beginner-friendly guide, so if it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner and click the 3 lines menu icon. From there, move down and click Help, then select About Firefox. A small window will open, and Firefox will automatically check for updates. If there is a fix available, it will download and install it for you. This step is important because browser crashes are often caused by bugs that have already been patched in a newer version. Just let the update complete, and when it finishes, restart Firefox so the changes can take effect. In many cases, that alone is enough to solve the issue. If Firefox is still crashing after the update, the next thing to try is Windows exploit protection. Sometimes Windows security features can interfere with Firefox and cause it to close unexpectedly. To check this, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app, then click App and Browser Control. On that page, look for Exploit Protection Settings near the bottom and click it. This will open a settings area where Windows manages protection rules for installed programs. Under Program Settings, look for Firefox in the list. If you see it there, select Firefox and click Remove. This tells Windows to stop applying that specific protection rule to the browser, which can fix crashes caused by a compatibility conflict. After removing it, close everything and try opening Firefox again to see if the problem is gone. If Firefox still will not stay open normally, there is one more fix that can help. Clearing the startup cache. This is useful when old cache data is causing Firefox to crash during launch. To do this, open Firefox and click the menu icon again in the top right corner. Go to Help, then click More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, look for the option to clear startup cache and click it. Firefox will remove the stored startup data and rebuild it the next time it opens. This can take care of corrupted or outdated files that may be making the browser unstable. After clearing the cache, restart Firefox once more and test it again. At this point, one of these 3 methods should help stop the crashing issue on Windows. If the browser is still giving you trouble, you may need to check for Windows updates, extensions, or a fresh Firefox reinstall, but these steps usually solve the most common crash problems. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes and browser troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.